Buldrun Review 2025. Is this the best construction software? Buldrun is a cloud-based construction management software designed to streamline project planning, budgeting and collaboration. Most people get construction software wrong by assuming all tools are the same, but Buldrun focuses on simplifying complex processes. The platform allows project managers to schedule tasks, track progress, manage budgets and communicate with teams in real time. You won't believe what happens next. It integrates with accounting software, document management, and mobile apps so teams in the field stay synced with the office. Buldrun also features customizable dashboards and reporting tools. Managers can track KPIs, monitor material usage, and analyze project costs, reducing delays and overruns. The surprising truth is that Buldrun's intuitive interface makes complex construction planning accessible, even for smaller companies without dedicated support. However, some users note that advanced features like AI-based cost forecasting require higher-tier subscriptions. For mid-sized to large construction firms, Buldrun offers significant efficiency gains, while smaller teams may only need basic scheduling and task management tools. In conclusion, Buldrun is one of the most comprehensive construction software options in 2025. If your goal is to streamline project management, reduce costs, and enhance communication across teams, it's worth considering. For smaller operations, the value depends on which features you actually need.